In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use music players on card. Let's start from inside the card editor. Go ahead and open the site you want to add music to. Once your page is open, look towards the top of the editor for the plus icon. This is what you use to add new elements to your page. Click that plus icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option labeled Audio. As soon as you select Audio, Card will automatically add a music player element to the bottom of your page. Don't worry about the placement yet. That's easy to adjust. Simply click and drag the audio element to wherever you want it to appear on your site. You might want it near the top as a feature, or further down the page so it's more subtle. Take a moment to drop it exactly where it makes sense for your layout and design. With the audio element selected, you'll see its settings panel appear on the left side of the editor. Make sure you're on the audio tab because this is where you actually connect your music. In this tab, you'll see a URL field, and just below it, a list of accepted URL formats. Card supports links from services like AudioMac, Bandcamp, Google Drive, Mixcloud, and SoundCloud. It's important to pay close attention to the format guidelines shown there. Each service may have a specific type of link that works, such as a direct track link or a shared file link. If the URL you paste doesn't match one of the accepted formats, the music player won't work correctly. So copy your audio link from the service you're using, double check that it matches the example formats listed, and then paste it into the URL field. Once your URL is in place, you'll see an option to enable background play. Turning this on allows your music to continue playing as visitors scroll through your site instead of stopping when they move away from the player. This is a great option if you want a continuous soundtrack experience for your visitors. If you'd like to customize how your music player looks, switch over to the Appearance tab in the Settings panel. Here, you can adjust the visual style so it matches the rest of your site's design. If you want your player to have some motion or special effects, go to the Animation tab and choose an animation that fits your aesthetic. And finally, for any additional options or behavior controls, open the Settings tab where you can fine-tune how the player works on your page. That's all you need to start using music players on card.